Hey there folks, it's your boy Jimmy Fallon, and boy do I have a treat for you today. We're diving into the world of online shopping, but not just any shopping. We're talking about building your very own online store. On one side, you've got Wix, the Swiss Army knife of website builders. On the other side, there's Ecwid, the cool kid specializing in e-commerce. Both are serving up tasty features, but which one should you choose? We'll break it down piece by piece, looking at usability and cost. So buckle up, grab your favorite snack, and let's dive into this e-commerce showdown. By the end, you'll be ready to choose your champion and start building that online empire. All right, folks, let's talk about Wix. It's like the Swiss Army knife of the internet world. Wix powers over 200 million websites worldwide. It's like the ultimate Lego set for websites, templates, drag and drop editors, apps. Want to sell t-shirts or blog about your cat? Wix has got you covered. Some say it can be overwhelming with all its options, like a candy store with too many choices. But for most of us looking to sell homemade jam or vintage action figures, Wix is like that friend who's always got your back. It's versatile and user-friendly, perfect for small to medium-sized online stores. Now let's shift gears and talk about Ecwid. If Wix is the Swiss Army knife, Ecwid is the super fancy chef's knife. Ecwid is all about e-commerce, folks. It can work with any website you've already got. WordPress, Squarespace, you name it. It keeps all your products synced across different platforms. Ecwid shines with features like real-time shipping calculations, tax automation, and abandoned cart recovery. It supports over 50 languages, making it a global player. If selling online is your main goal, Ecwid could be your new best friend. Just remember, it's focused on e-commerce, not building entire websites from scratch. Section 4. User Experience Navigating Wix and Ecwid. Using Wix is like being a kid in a candy store. Exciting, but a bit overwhelming. Wix has ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, to help you create a website quickly. Ecwid's user experience is more like a well-organized office, efficient and focused on selling. With Wix, you can drag and drop elements wherever you want. Ecwid gives you a more structured approach, like following a recipe. If you want creative freedom, Wix might be your jam. But if you want a streamlined approach to selling online, Ecwid could be the way to go. Section 5. Pricing, comparing costs and value. Wix has a free plan, but for serious features you'll need to upgrade. Paid plans start at $16 per month, with business plans at $27. Ecwid also has a free plan, allowing up to 10 products. Paid plans start at $15 per month for up to 100 products. With Wix, you're paying for the whole package: website building, hosting, design tools. Ecwid focuses on e-commerce features, delivering top-notch selling tools. Choose based on whether you need a full website or just e-commerce capabilities. Section 6 Conclusion. Choosing the right platform for you. Alright folks, we've reached the final round of our Wix versus Ecwid showdown. If you're starting from scratch and want to build a whole website with a store, Wix might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you've already got a website and just want to add a top-notch online store, Ecwid could be your golden ticket. The best choice is the one that works for you. Both Wix and Ecwid offer free plans, so you can test drive them without spending a dime. Play around, see which one feels more comfortable, and start building your online store. Remember, you're taking a big step towards building your own online empire. Thank you, and good night!